Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do Air Jordan 36 first light. So let's find out where is the difference. As you can see here, it's still clear on the marking area. The lace hole on the fake is not placed right in the middle compared to the authentic here. And also the embroidery here is also slightly to the right. Should be like the authentic here, placed right in the middle of the logo here. Another sample also still same. This one also you can see on the authentic there is a lot more gap here between the lace hole and the plastic here, but look at the fake, there's no gap here. Moving to the other side of the shoes, still same. So if you want to compare Air Jordan 36, just look at directly to the lace hole. It's pretty damn same with another colorways. The problem is always here. You can see there's no gap here. The lace hole still close with the bottom here. This one also still same. It's not placed right in the middle, and this one has no gap, but the authentic has a lot more gap. Moving from above here, you can see the string is different also. The color, there is a three color here, black, pink and white, but look at the fake, it's totally different. This one also, this one is all purple, but this one is different. Also the Jordan logo here, the color of the Jordan logo, it's more translucent on the authentic than the fake is just purple. Spinning around to the back of the shoes, you can see here, look at the orange plastic here. Orange on the heel cap is a lot more higher than the authentic. The fake is a lot more higher than the authentic. And this one, look at the heel cap, the Nike Air logo goes all the way down to the stitching, whereas the authentic has a little bit gap. And this one, the fake box label. If you have the authentic one, you can compare with this fake. Maybe you can find the difference. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel so I can make another video for you guys. Thank you very much, and see you on the next video.